Oh, I don't want them to be in, to be honest. They've been great. Like, I love the two teachers. Even when Gemma and all came in, it was great. They've been very helpful. At the start, to be honest, when I first came in, I thought, I'm never going to pick this up. And then they just give you all the encouragement you need. And when you make a mistake, they come over. They don't give out to you. They completely encourage you. Because it's nervous for most people starting off, like, because they think, well, I don't know how to do it. I won't know how to do it. And they think people judge them, but they don't. Like, they actually help them. Like, even all the students, everyone helps each other, and it's great. Like, and they encourage everyone to do it for each other. So, like, it's been brilliant. And I knew from, like, I rang a few courses before the Grafton, and as soon as I was off the phone to Siobhan, I knew this was the course I wanted to do. She was probably the only one that I rang that was, like, so polite to me and just made me feel like straight away, yeah, that's the course I want to do, because she was just great, like, and I don't regret it at all. It was worth every penny. Just searching around, I searched up barber skills online, and then I rang a few places, and then Grafton was probably the third or fourth place I rang, and just after that call, right away I knew that was me. That's the one I wanted to do, and that's the one. I'm glad I did it. No regrets at all. Oh, definitely. If this is your interest at all, do it 100%, because the girls will push you completely, and it's just great at this, and you meet great new people and new friends and all, and hopefully, like, you work with some of them in the future.